you a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love.
Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys just saw in the intro, we are doing this broken up pumpkin face, and it's used with mostly body paint. So we are going to be using the Mehron body paint set that I just picked up. So I ordered this set off of Amazon and it was $100. So I hope these paints work. We're going to be dabbling into the orange and the black color today. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom you guys in, and then I'm going to show you guys how to put the latex on. And yeah. So I'm first going to start off by using liquid latex. So I use the Bennye quality kind, and I just put it into a little mixing bowl with a spatula, and I'm just going to map out the spot on my face where I want the half cut to go. And then once you have your latex laid down, you're just going to want to take toilet paper or tissue paper or whatever paper that you want, and you're going to rip it up into little strips, and you're just going to stick it right onto that line. And then you're going to go over it with more liquid latex. So now once you have that on, you can put your liquid latex to the side and you can let that dry. So I'm going to move on to doing the glamour part of this. So this side, this eye is going to be the glamour eye. So I am going to go into my Laura Lee Party Animal palette. I'm going to use this orange right here. I did an orange look last night and I completely forgot that I had that. So I am going to use that today. So I'm just going in with a blender brush, and I'm just going to go in and put that right into my crease. Now I'm going to go in on the outer corners. I'm going to go in on the same flat brush. I'm just going to go in with an orange color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and mixed in with a little bit of the Laura Lee. And I'm just going to put it on the outer corners and just kind of blend it up. And now I'm going to go in on a very flat brush. So I am going to use a flat brush from the brush that we got in our BoxyCharm, and I am going to go in with this bright yellow from NYX, and it is a pigment, and it's like a shimmery sparkly gold, and I'm just going to coat my entire lid. And then of course go in with my blender brush and the orange, the Laura Lee palette, and just blend. Now that the eyes are basically done, I am going to go in with a orange liner. So this is from the NYX Vivid Brights. It is the orange one, and I'm just going to go in and do a wing. Maybe. Seems pretty dry. It actually isn't as orange as I expected it to be. It's definitely like an burnt orange color, and I don't really like it. I'm just going to put a black over top because that will make it look a little bit better. Now I'm going to go in with a cotton swab or cotton round, and I'm just going to fold it up. I'm going to clean up the edges, just something quick like that. And now that that's done, I am going to move on to the foundation part. So I am going to be using a foundation brush, and I'm going to color the latex to my skin color and do the foundation on this side. course I just go in with my beauty blender and I just blend that all together. So now once the latex is dry, you can just go in and you can just kind of peel parts of it up and almost like rip it so that it looks like skin that's been torn away. Now you're gonna go in, well, I'm gonna clean up my workspace and then we're gonna go in with the body paint. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the orange body paint. So it is this one, this is the Mehron Paradise Makeup, and it is the color orange, obviously. And we are just going to put it all over our face on this side. So this is water activated. This stuff smells so good. It smells like a pina colada. Oh my God, I love it. I'm just going to do this entire side. Make sure you also get it into your hairline just so that you can blend it all together, and make sure you coat your ears. So now once you have your base on, so most of the orange, you can go down further. I'm not going to, just because I'm just doing my face. I'm gonna I'm gonna go into the black, and I am going to do the eye portion of my pumpkin. So I think I'm gonna do something like a triangle-like shape. I'm gonna go in with an even smaller brush, and I'm just going to try and make the point a little bit more pointed. All right, and now once you have the eye the way that you like it, you're gonna go in and you're going to make the mouth. So you can make whatever you can make whatever jack-o'-lantern smile that you want. I think I'm gonna go in and do triangles. There's a video I watched, I'll link it down below, on the girl's tutorial that I watched earlier today, and that's what she did. And I also have a Facebook friend that did a pumpkin look yesterday, and she did a really like Joker-esque one, and it was really pretty. But I think I'm gonna do just little lines, like little triangles, making a weird face. So I'm going to go in with a black liner, and I'm just going to map it out, and then I'll fill it in after. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now just go in and fill it in. I'm gonna see if I have a smaller brush to do this. So once you have your Jacqueline mouth on, something like this, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is my very first time doing body paint, so if it's not what you guys are looking for, then do a different design. You guys can do whatever design you guys want. But I'm gonna bring you guys up a little bit higher, and we're gonna add the blood. So now I'm gonna go in with scab blood on a small brush again. And if you've never worked with scab blood before, scab blood is like a gel type blood. It will not dry down, and it stays gooey and it stays gross, and it's the perfect blood for this type of stuff. So there is the bloody part of it. It's very simple, very easy, and very effective. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of, this will work really well. I'm gonna go in with some browns from my contour and sculpting palette, just on a little brush, something like this, just flat, and I'm just gonna go in and add some brown into this pumpkin, if I can. And then I'm just gonna go in and shade them a little and just blend them in a little bit. I'm gonna go in with some orange from my eyeshadow palette. So this is the Laura palette, and I'm just using that orange, and I'm just gonna go in and shade it a little bit. Now, I am gonna go in with that smaller brush again, the one that I used for the black, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a pumpkin nose. Nothing too crazy. It's actually really easy, just draw a triangle. You could do like a skull type nose. So once you have your nose all done, I'm just gonna go into my Take Me Back to Rizzo palette again, and I'm just gonna go in with that yellow color that we used on the eyeshadow, and I'm just going to like highlight, because pumpkins aren't just orange. So you have something creepy and weird like this. So this is the finished look, guys. It's super easy. You have your little glam side right here, where it was just a simple orange and yellow look, and then you have the pumpkin side here, which actually turned out way better than I thought it was going to for my very first time using body paint. I'm so excited with how this turned out. This is actually really, really, really cool, and I'm really happy that I tried it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I'm so excited for Halloween this year. I just started doing SFX this year, and I'm beyond excited for it. So if you guys do like Halloween looks, be sure to be following me, and you guys can watch all of the creations that I come up with, or the videos that I try to redo, and it's gonna be fun. So please make sure, if you're not already following me and subscribe to me, to please hit the button down below and turn on that little bell. That little bell basically lets you know whenever I upload, so you can be the first ones to watch my videos. And we are, well, we are growing. We're at 202 subscribers now, so if you guys would love to subscribe to me, that would be amazing. If you guys aren't already following me, my Instagram is right here, and my Twitter is right here. I do all of my giveaways on my Instagram, and I also post them on my Twitter just so that more people can get traction to it, so they can see that there's a contest going on. So if you guys aren't yet following me on Instagram, you guys should give me a follow, because then you'll be up to date with all of the stuff that's happening. So the last thing that I want to do is I'm going to pop on a wig, and I'm going to put a weird contact in, and then I'm going to film my intro. So I'm going to go do that quickly, and I will come back and show you guys what the finished look looks like. And well, you guys already saw in my intro, but so you guys can see it again. Be right back. Oh, also, plus with black body paint, your teeth look so white. Look how freaking white they are. So this is the finished look. So I made this little fall crown. It did it the exact same way that I did the mermaid crown. You can see the bottom a little bit, so I'm going to have to play with that a bit and maybe add some more leaves just so you guys can't see it, or just tighten it so that it sits on my head a little bit better. But I did make a little crown for my pumpkin, and just to be like the queen of autumn. So I have a sclera contact in. They are giant black contacts. They cover all the entire whites of your eye, and they're kind of weird. They're strange to put in. They're actually really easy to put in, but if you're not used to wearing contacts, you may not like them. I think it looks really cool with the black contacts, and I think this look turned out amazingly. I'm now gonna go do the intro to this video. If you guys obviously can tell, I'm wearing a black wig. I got this wig from a local shop in Edmonton, so I can't really tell you too much about it yet. I'm gonna have to do a review on it and find out what the brand is, and then do a review for you guys to see if you guys can purchase them online if you don't live in the Edmonton area. But if you do live in the Edmonton area, then I will link the shop down below so you guys can go check them out. They sell amazing wigs and they're only like $70, so that's amazing, because most of my wigs are like up into the hundreds unless I'm getting them on Amazon. But so far this look turned out amazingly and I'm really excited about it, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!
I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I